आगे से हम राजधानी में सफर नहीं करें।
Himself inaugurated this train 1 month ago.
See the mosquitoes. See the mosquitoes.
Nothing is happening.
पुल कर भी रहे हैं तो गाड़ी रुक नहीं रही है।
गार्बेज बैग जो आता है क्यों नहीं यूज करता है
ये साफ है।
Our report published on November 4 captured the concerns of passengers about the first AC coach of the Sangh Rajdhani Express, and following it, the railways took action with penalties, blacklisting and dismissals. Here's the full Mo impact.
Yes, we have investigated the entire incident.
8,000 रुपया किराया दिया सायरन का।
तो सबने दिया है।
Somebody he gets a heart attack. How do I stop the train?
ये काम नहीं करता क्या लोग?
On November 2, I was among the passengers aboard train number 20508. Despite the passengers' repeated complaints about the coach being infested with mosquitoes and the absence of a mosquito repellent spray, the train departed from Anand Vihar terminal in Delhi. Moments later, a passenger pulled the chain.
8,000 के मच्छर बड़े हुए हैं।
जिंदगी का ढेर होता तो मक्खियाँ होती है ना, वैसे तो मॉस्किटोज हैं।
difficult was this to get a spray? If that was not arranged, just tell us. We could have get it through the Blinkit, Zepto.
Multiple police and railway officials promised passengers a fix and left. But the train started moving again.
ट्रेन चला के बिना मच्छर मारे हुए।
सर वो प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हुआ नहीं, अभी गाड़ी चल गई है।
But this time, the chain pulling mechanism of the coach was disabled.
इसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया इन्होंने।
इन्होंने आके कोच को बाईपास कर दिया है। यहाँ के पैसेंजर अगर चेन पुल कर भी रहे हैं तो गाड़ी रुक नहीं रही है।
See the number of messages he has actually sent to his superiors, and see there is no reply yet.
If I get dengue, nobody obviously is accountable in this country for anything.
लिक्विड कुछ भरा हुआ। ये गार्बेज बैग जो आता है क्यों नहीं यूज करता है?
So now they are actually putting the bags on these dustbins, which barely work. पहले का गंदा कैसे साफ होगा? इसी के ऊपर आप लगा दोगे?
ये साफ है।
खोलिए एक बार इसको।
The chain was pulled from another coach, and the train came to a halt once again, a few hundred meters away.
बाईपास करा दिया।
But soon, the train began moving again. This time, passengers gave up and decided not to argue any further.
So all these closed doors that you see, each of these doors tried to fight.
In the Mo report, we mentioned that mosquitoes weren't the only problem on the train. Dysfunctional USB ports, below average food, dirty linens, and an unexplained 2-hour delay.
आगे से हम राजधानी में सफर नहीं करें।
Many users online echoed the passengers' concerns and shared similar experiences. Following the backlash, the railways responded and assured action. We reached out to the Northeast Frontier Railways for more details.
Necessary action has been taken.
Rupees 26,000 fine imposed in housekeeping agencies Khagol Loco and Jai Bharat Associates. Housekeeping in charge removed and blacklisted from future railways work. Railways to introduce improved maintenance protocols at train yards to prevent recurrence.
मस्कीटो रिपेलेंट एक मिलने से भी प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा सॉल्व हो जाता और अब थोड़ा इश्यू ज़्यादा हो गया है।